Birds presents a fascinating view for bird watchers. But have you noticed that birds do not have teeth? They have lost their teeth during evolution to make them light for an easy flight. Their bones are also not normal. They are spongy, helping them to fly high by reducing the size of their body. During evolution, birds have developed a chamber in stomach called as gizzard, which can grind anything inside it. Furthermore, it also helps in flying of birds by moving bird's center of gravity towards wings. Gizzard is a muscular chamber located in stomach of many birds and some reptiles, for example crocodile, and helps the animals to grind their food, and sometimes it needs stones or pebbles to crush the shells or bones or anything hard that the bird might have eaten. Gastrolith or the ingested stones do not have nutritional content. Hence, they are not food for birds but can provide the bird with some calcium and carbonate so that they can lay eggs with enough thickness of shell. Have you found this information interesting? Comment in the comment box, and thanks for watching.